Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing access and meeting basic norms. This avoids bans and delays. Once logged in, scan the server rules and the conventions channel to learn timing and themes. Make sure to prepare a clean avatar, a short bio, and 2 or 3 sample posts so you can post immediately. You're setting the stage. Early preparation speeds approvals and helps you match the community tone, which is why you should tidy profiles and bookmark upcoming event threads right away. You now move into active participation. Once introduced, post one quality contribution that follows format and tags. This demonstrates you understand the vibe. Make sure to engage with replies and to credit collaborators where required. If you want a slot or special access, DM moderators politely with a concise pitch and examples. This builds trust and opens opportunities. Keep responses timely and constructive because steady good contributions lead to invites, and you finish by confirming your final post time and required file formats. Upload test content if allowed so you avoid last-minute errors. Once done, archive your assets with timestamps and permission notes to protect reuse and attribution. If something goes wrong, like a post removed or access blocked, first review the specific rule cited and compare it to your content. Then appeal calmly or correct the issue and repost. This 2-step recover approach preserves reputation and helps prevent repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.